total of 105 long-range missiles were fired, these from a U.S. Navy ship in the Red Sea.
We are confident that all of our missiles reach their targets. At the end of the strike mission, all our aircraft safely return to their bases.
I'm putting the people on notice that are coming here from Syria as part of this mass migration, that if I win, they're going back. They're going back.
America will spend $250 million on missiles that are just going to destroy, right? But if you say to France and the UK and America, hey, give $250 million to these refugees and help them set up a new life, people will be like, we don't have money for that. We don't have money for that.